Is this a Ferrari? Alright, Dalton's got this mint NSX all done, and yeah, we got lots of fresh brakes and suspension on it. These cars are really just a driver's car. Like, they're not that fast in a straight line, I get it. You know, you race automatic Ford Mustangs, like, this isn't the car for you. But if you just want a fun driving experience, you know, manual steering, manual transmission, just hugs the curves, and it's just really low to the ground. This car was really well designed. Obviously, Martin Cena had a part in it, F1 driver. Yeah, they're just really unique, really awesome cars. I own 2 of them, so obviously I like them. A little biased. Yeah, 8,200 RPM V6. In the 90s, it was competing with the Ferraris and the Porsches. Definitely needs forced induction now. We're excited for the customer to get to see what it feels like now that we've got all new fresh suspension, all new brakes, new fluids. Hope it's just an enjoyable driving experience. Is this a Corvette?